Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix too many attempts on PrizePicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you are getting error message on PrizePicks, then there are a couple of reasons that might be. The first is deposit limits. PrizePicks sets deposit limits to encourage responsible play. You can lower your limits in the responsible gaming of the tab of the app, but you can't raise them yourself. The minimum deposit amount is $10. Or timeouts. You can take a break from PrizePicks from a minimum of 1 day and maximum of 30 days. During this time, you can submit the lineups or deposit funds, but you can still log in and withdraw funds. Self-exclusion. You can exclude yourself from PrizePicks for a set of amount of time from 1 month to lifetime. During this time, you can't play or log in into your account. So if you are concerned, then these are basically the reasons that might be causing the error that you are having. So all you gotta do is just fix this problem or give it some time when you can finally log in and play into your account. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.